most agencies waste countless hours making content for their clients. Imagine this, from one blog post, you will make a LinkedIn post, a Twitter post, and also a short form video script just from a single click. And that's the automation today. I am going to show you how this can help any kind of AI worker to do this. You don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars to copyright per month just to do this simple job. You can just have this content in a Google Sheet with just a simple click. So the main problem that many digital marketing agencies face that they are pretty inconsistent with making content on LinkedIn, Twitter, and short form videos. They just make a simple blog post and that's it. They miss out many posts means many posts is equals to many inspiration means more clients, and this is the only reason that digital marketing agencies can't keep consistent posts all over the platform. Just make a blog post on their website and that's it, and they forgot they miss other method that can make them even more money. So for this, I have this solution, this simple automation built in anytime that can save up to 2 hours per day, thousands of dollars for copywriting per month. So it's a simple workflow anytime which works with the Google Drive trigger and a Google Docs trigger. So it's simple, like you can make a post, you can make a blog post in your Google Docs, and after this you need to have a simple folder in your Google Drive. After this, you just need to click this move button on Google Docs and move it to the folder in Google Drive. And you need to have a trigger for this. You need to have a trigger for this Google Drive folder, and this automation will work 24/7. After 24/7, it will get the Google Drive and Google Docs blog and make a LinkedIn post and update into Google Drive and update into Google Sheet. After this, it will make a X post, Twitter post, and also update into Google Sheet. So make a short form video script updating also into Google Sheet. Not just that, it will also post the LinkedIn post and Twitter post on the platform using a service called Bloto that allows you to post on various social media platforms using their API. You just need to make a free account and connect your credentials, and after this, it will send you a email, that's email saying that the LinkedIn post or Twitter post is done. You can check out. So for this, let me give you a quick demo of it. At first, I will delete this past LinkedIn and Twitter post, and this is the post I have done. This is a demo blog I have made, and I have moved this into the Google Drive folder. You can see here the current location is Google Docs folder. After this, I just need to execute the workflow, and you don't need to do it manually by yourself. You can just activate the workflow. I can hit here execute workflow, and it will goes into and it will get the blog post that I have made. You can see here. After this, it will make a LinkedIn post and update into a Google Sheet and also upload into Bloto using their API, and after Bloto it will automatically upload onto your LinkedIn. You can connect the Bloto account. So here you can see we have a LinkedIn post, a Twitter post, and also a short form video script in our Google Sheet, and after this it will automatically upload onto the platform and send you an email. And the proof of value for this automation is that it can save up to 2 hours daily, and also if you are a marketing agency managing 5 plus clients, it can easily save 1k a month for you for copywriters, and also it will automatically post is which can also reduce a time up to 15 to 20 minutes it will take you to just to post this post if you do it manually. But this automation can do this also automatically on its own, running 24/7 for you. And also this automation not just save money and time, this also improve the engagement by 120%, and even improve the engagement if you are posting on 3 other platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and also short form videos, which can get a results of getting more clients for your more clients for your digital marketing agency. And also, so the more leads your client will get, the more happy, the more satisfied they will be, and they will give you more referrals based on this. If you want this done for your workflow, you can grab this link in this video description and also pin comment. For this, you will get this workflow in JSON file. You can import into your Anyten, and also a step by step guide on how you can implement this into your workflow, including how to set up Anyten to setting up Bloto and email SMTP servers. This done for you workflow is perfect for agencies managing multiple clients, and this can save you ton of hours and time spending on copywriters, and also improve your engagement. And last but not least, agencies, those who systemize their flow, wins rather than doing manually work, wasting hours, spending hundreds and thousands of dollars on copywriters, and don't be consistent on posting on other social medias. And thanks for your time to watch this video till end. See you in the next one, and also comment down below what should I build next.